When considering ChurchSuite, it's important to know a few key things before committing. While it's a popular church management software, there are some things you might want to compare with its competitors to make sure it's the right fit for you. Here's what you need to know. First off, ChurchSuite is an all-in-one church management platform, offering tools for everything from managing memberships to event planning. But before you jump in, keep in mind that while its feature set is comprehensive, it may not be as user-friendly as some alternatives. So, if ease of use is a top priority for your church, you might want to explore other options. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. ChurchSuite uses a tiered pricing model, which can work well if you have a smaller church, but it may not scale as easily for larger organizations. Some competitors offer more flexible pricing or custom packages that can be a better value for churches of different sizes. The third thing you need to know is its mobile capabilities. ChurchSuite does offer mobile apps, but the experience can be hit or miss. Some users report that it's not as seamless as what you might find with other platforms, especially when it comes to features like attendance tracking or communication. If mobile functionality is critical for your team, you may want to test this before committing. The fourth thing is its integration capabilities. ChurchSuite works well with several third-party tools, but there are limitations. If your church is using specialized software, integration might not be as smooth as you'd like. Some competitors provide more robust integration options, which could save you time and effort in the long run. The fifth thing to note is customer support. ChurchSuite has a reputation for solid customer service, but like any platform, there are mixed reviews. Some users have experienced slow response times during high-demand periods, which could be frustrating if you're looking for immediate assistance. It's worth checking reviews or testing their support team before fully committing. Next thing, the system's reporting tools. ChurchSuite provides solid reporting features, but they're not as customizable as some competitors. If your church needs advanced personalized reports, you might find ChurchSuite a bit limiting. The seventh thing to consider is the learning curve. ChurchSuite has a relatively steep learning curve, especially for those new to church management software. Training and onboarding are essential if you want to get the most out of the system, so be prepared to invest time up front. The eighth thing to know is its volunteer management features. While ChurchSuite offers decent tools to manage volunteers, they're not as extensive as what's available from some other platforms. If volunteer coordination is a key focus for your church, consider if ChurchSuite meets your needs or if a competitor might be more suitable. The ninth thing is data security. ChurchSuite prioritizes security and follows standard practices to protect your church's data, but it's always a good idea to double-check their security measures, especially if your church handles sensitive information. The 10th thing is that ChurchSuite provides a lot of customization options. However, if you're looking for a fully personalized experience, you may find the system a bit rigid. Some competitors allow for deeper customization of dashboards, workflows, and user interfaces. The 11th thing to consider is the community aspect. ChurchSuite has a dedicated user community and a lot of online resources, but it's not as large or as active as some other church management platforms. If you rely on peer support and user-generated content, you might want to explore alternatives with larger communities. And lastly, let's talk about its overall user experience. ChurchSuite offers a great mix of features and functionality, but it's not always the easiest to use right out of the box. The interface isn't as intuitive as some of its competitors, so it may take a little more time to get comfortable with the system. So, is ChurchSuite a good choice for your church? Yes, it's a solid option with a lot of features. But if you want something that's a bit more user-friendly, customizable, and flexible, consider checking out our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it might be exactly what your church needs.